Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel TechNet Guide. Friends, in this video we are going to learn how to install Docker on AWS EC2. So friends, before going to install Docker, we have to install Ubuntu Linux on which we'll set up Docker. Okay. So first of all, let me tell you how to create Ubuntu Linux instance on AWS. Just click here and you will see here recently visited EC2. Okay, if it is not there, then you can click here and you can find here, press E, all service. Okay, press E, you can see here EC2. Okay, just click here. So now we have to click on launch instance. Now you can see here Ubuntu you can see. First we'll create for Ubuntu. Okay, so it will take default. Okay, you can see this is free tier eligible here. Okay, so you can see Ubuntu server 24.0 is there. Okay, so we'll go with this setup. Okay, so just put here name Linux. Okay, now it is a free tier. Okay, so you can create here for SSH we can create. Let's create here RSA. Okay, pair name key. Okay, just create here RSA key. So you can see it's created and downloaded. Okay, now friends, you can see default VPC. Okay, it's created here default VPC. So we have enabled auto assign public IP so that we can able to access here. Let it all auto assign. Okay, so with this IP, with this public IP, will access our Linux. Okay, we'll create here security group here. Okay, so allow SSH traffic from not anywhere, it will be only my public IP. Okay, so allow HTTPS traffic from the internet only from my public IP. Okay, now we can click here launch instance here. Just click here, launch this instance. Now friends, you can see we have successfully installed your instance. Just click here. So you can see it's running. Okay, so instance state, just click here instance. So you can see it's running, initializing, initial check. Okay, so now how to connect it, let me tell you how we can connect here. So you can see it's public IP 43.209. Okay, with this IP we can access it. Okay, so auto assign IP. So let's connect. Let me show you how to connect it. Okay, so networking here. Okay, connect. So you can see SSH client is there. Username will be Ubuntu. Okay, so you can see now we can access with this syntax. Okay, you can see we have already created our RSA key, so it's downloaded here. Just go to the folder where it's there. Now you can see it is in download folder. Okay, then we have to just go to the PowerShell and go to download CD download. Okay, we have to paste here. Just copy this, just copy and paste here. Just paste it. Okay, sorry, 2 times here pasted. Let me paste it. Okay, now paste here, press enter. Now press yes. Okay, now friends, you can see we are successfully connected with our Ubuntu machine. Okay, so let me check. So let me verify it is Ubuntu version here. Okay, so to verify our Ubuntu version, more, so slash etc slash os release. Okay, so you can see our Ubuntu OS version, Ubuntu 24.04. Okay, Ubuntu. Okay, Debian, ID like Debian here. Okay, so now friends, we have installed Ubuntu here. Now we'll install Docker. Okay, let's see how to install Docker on it. Now friends, we have to check Docker install or not. So we can check with Docker -version. Okay, so you can see Docker not installed, command Docker not found, but can be installed with sudo apt install docker io. Okay, sudo apt install podman docker. Okay, so let me show you Docker document how to install it. Okay, .com. Okay, install Ubuntu. So friends, here if you are on home page, then you have to go to manual, then Docker engine. Okay, Docker engine, then install and Ubuntu. So in our case we have Ubuntu. So you can see OS requirement to install Docker engine, you need 64 version. Okay, so it is 64 version. So you can see Ubuntu, these are the, so you can see friend first, first we have to check OS compatibility. Okay, OS compatibility, you can see over Ubuntu LTS novel. Okay, so it is compatible with this. Okay, now we can install. Okay, let me show you how to install this. So there is a 2-3 method. Docker engine comes with bundle, local desktop for Linux, Docker repository, it's manual. So now friends, we'll install using Docker repository. Okay, apt repository. Now first command will be sudo apt get update. So I will change this some command here, sudo apt get update. Okay, to update this Ubuntu machine. Okay, now friends, we'll install certificates. Just copy here. Okay, and paste it. Okay, installed. Now again we'll install this one. Now we can copy this one by one. Okay, tree source here, just copy till add the repository end of. Okay, yup, right click, paste, enter. Okay, now we have to update here package, all the package, sorry, sudo apt update. Okay, let it update all the package. Now friends, we have to install Docker package. Okay, just copy this. Okay, to install Docker package, here you can see containers.io. so you can see Docker and Docker CLI, container.io, Docker plugins, all the things here. Okay, just right click and click here to install it. Now installing, press Y. Okay, installing Docker. Now Docker installed here. Okay, now friends, we'll check here. Now friends, you can see it's successfully installed here. Now we'll check package. Now we'll check version, Docker -1 version. Okay, so you can see Docker version is 29.1. build it like this. Okay, so you can see we can check Docker status with this command also. Okay, copy, paste. Okay, status started Docker service. Okay, now we can check with, now we can verify if it's run hello world. Okay, just verify this is installed or not. Okay, image, sorry, now we can check, it will pull up hello image. Okay, then now friends we can verify with the pull up hello image here. Okay, hello world image put here, then unable to find hello world. Okay, okay, so friend you can see unable to find hello image. Okay, because locally. Okay, after that it's pulling from the library of the hello world of the Docker library. Okay, now pull complete, download completed, started download newer image for hello world latest. So you can see hello from Docker, means we have successfully installed Docker on the AWS Ubuntu machine. Okay, so let me tell you how to restart and stop Docker. So sudo system ctl stop Docker. Okay, well, you can see stopping Docker the service, but triggering unit will be still active. Okay, so we can start it with that command, start. Okay, it will be restarted. Okay, so friend, in this video we saw that how to install Docker on the AWS EC2 Ubuntu machine. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.